Hello Green Bay viewers, we're back here in Novato, all done with our beautiful project. We just completed off a beautiful kitchen and bathroom remodel. I'd love for you to follow me and let's hear how the project actually came out and let's hear from our customer.
Hi, my name is Ariane Hurley and I live in Novato, California. I've been living here for 8 years and there's been thinking about remodeling for a while, but when I finally took the plunge, I was very excited to find Green Bay Remodeling. They have not only helped me design, they have also completed my kitchen and bathroom remodel to beyond my expectations. So the first time I met Joseph, I spent at least 3 hours with him. I was very surprised that he took so much time to listen to exactly what I wanted to do, and he gave me a lot of great input. I'm not a professional. There was a lot that I didn't know. I had never done a remodel before. So he not only listened to what I wanted, he also was an invaluable source of information and ideas. And he made sure that the things that I picked were all going to work together. The project actually took far less time than I thought it would. They actually did give me a reasonable estimate that they managed to stick to. The workers that came to my house were not only professional, they were also very courteous, and they cleaned up after themselves so well. And I felt my house was cleaner after they had been here than before. There was something unexpected that happened. It turned out that the backsplash done here in my kitchen, the original one, and also the one on my fireplace, was not done to Joseph's satisfaction. And Joseph redid the whole thing, totally at Green Bay's expense, because the quality of the work was just not up to their standards. I was amazed. I must say that having a dedicated project manager was one of the things that helped me choose Green Bay Remodeling over the other agencies that I looked at. It made the biggest difference. I could have gone with a contractor that would have cost me less, but I would have had to choose everything myself, and I'm sure it would not have come out as well. I just feel that that really it's a company that cares about what they do. I actually feel that I got more than the bang for my buck. Joseph was so great about making sure everything went well together. It wasn't just do what they said they would do. I feel that they went even beyond that to make sure that my house had a completed look. I would certainly recommend, and I have already been recommending Green Bay Remodeling to all my friends. And not only that, but I really didn't have any other projects in mind when I started, but now, having found how painless and easy this project was, I have decided to do my upstairs as well.